Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about the third applications of colors law. In the previous video, we have to explain the first application. The first applications of the colors law is that to find the equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution. We are already explained this application. After that, the second application is that to find the solubility of sparingly soluble salt. That means this colors law is used for for to find out the solubility of a sparingly soluble salt. And this is now today we are discussing the third applications of the colors law, and in that application we have to see about the measurement of degree of dissociation of a weak electrolyte. This application is the measurement of degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. The apparent degree of dissociation of an electrolyte at a dilution is given by the degree of dissociation, that means alpha is equal to lambda v divided by lambda infinity. So what is the meaning of lambda v? Lambda v is the equivalent conductance of an electrolyte at finite dilution, and lambda infinity is the equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte at infinite dilution. That means degree of dissociation is the ratio of equivalent conductivity of an electrolyte at a finite dilution to the infinite dilution. According to the colors law, lambda infinity is always equal to the sum of conductance of anion and conductance of cation. After that, we have to see here how we can calculate the percentage of dissociation. For the percentage of dissociation, the formula used is 100 into degree of dissociation. 100 into degree of dissociation. By using this formula, we can calculate the percentage of dissociation. To understand this degree of dissociation as well as the percentage degree of dissociation, there is one examples are taken here. In that example, the equivalent conductance at a finite dilution of finite dilution. This finite word is very important. At a finite dilution of HCl, NaCl and CH3CONaR, 426.16, 126.45 and 91.0 ohm inverse cm square per equivalent. Then calculate the degree of dissociation of acetic acid, that is CH3COH, given equivalent conductance of acetic acid is equal to 3.14. The first of all, we have to write the information given in the problem. The first we observe here the lambda infinity of HCl is given 426.16, and lambda infinity of NaCl is also given 126.45, and lambda infinity of CH3CONa is equal to 91.0. This value are given in the problems. On the basis of colors law, we know that the equivalent conductivity of HCl is equal to the ionic conductance of H positive ion plus ionic conductance of Cl negative ion. That means we can write in place of lambda infinity HCl, we can write lambda H positive plus lambda Cl negative. Similarly, in place of NaCl, we can write the lambda Na plus lambda Cl, and in case of CH3CONa, we can write the lambda CH3CO negative plus lambda Na positive, and these value are given in our problem. Adding equation 1 and 2 and subtract equation 3, the first equation and third equations are added, and second equation is subtracted from the addition of these two equations to remove or to neglect the remaining ions from the given equations, lambda H positive ion plus lambda Cl negative ion plus lambda CH3CO. In that equations we have also add the values of 426.16 and 91.0 are added, and this value 126.45 this value is decreases from the addition of these two. Then in the above equation, the ionic conductance of Na positive and ionic conductance of Na positive, which is present with opposite signs, cancel out. Also the ionic conductance of Cl negative ion and ionic conductance of Cl negative ion also cancel because the signs are opposite. Therefore the lambda H positive ion plus lambda CH3CO negative ion is equal to 390.71. That means this is also the ionic conductance of H positive ion CH3CO negative ions is also equal to the equivalent conductivity of acetic acid, and whose value becomes 390.71 mho cm square per equivalent. The degree of dissociation of acetic acid, you know that how you can calculate the degree of dissociation of acetic acid, that means alpha is equal to the lambda V CH3COH and lambda infinity CH3CO. We know that the value of lambda infinity CH3COH, we are calculate this value lambda infinity CH3COH and lambda V CH3COH. This value is given in our problem. Therefore both the value, we get both the values. Put this value in the formula of degree of dissociation. Then we get 3.14 divided by 390.71, which is equal to the 0.008. After that, after finding out the degree of dissociation, if we want to calculate the percentage degree of dissociation, then 100 into alpha, that means 100 into 0.008, this value becomes equal to the 0.8 percentage. In this way we can calculate the percentage of degree of dissociation. So the Color's law, that means here we use the Color's law and to find the degree of dissociation. These are the third applications of Color's law. Now I stop here.